she's dead. Ran good. Did about 3/4 of my yard before it started knocking like that. I honestly have no idea why it was doing that. I knew it had a knock when I got it, but it wasn't as bad as this. I guess, yeah, I didn't have my oil cap on tight like that. That was a little bit of a fail for me, but I have no idea why it knocked that badly though. Anyway, that was the death of my lawnmower. V8 with a miss. Sounded like shit. Must have been a Ford. Anyway, so that's the death of my lawnmower. The one I really like because it's self-propelled. And can't really see the screen, but yeah, you can see it smoking and all. Yeah. I'm not really worried about it dying like this. I guess blowing up. Yeah, that sounds good to me, blowing up. Because if the piston and rings are still decently good or big enough, I'll be able to put it in another engine that I'm trying to fix. So yeah, that's all for now. See you in the next video.